Somalia, 진짜 좀 되게 높은 상물이야. something just later me should you. And 다른게 진짜 좀 되게 높은 가르쳐도 쉬워라잖아. Simple equations 가르쳐도. 안디 높은 마장고는 높은 속이 가리가리 다른게 높은 그래서 토리아 넘버도 가르치고 쉬워라잖아. 다른 높은 장산 쉬워리야. And you'll be able to recall basic terms. Simple equation you'll be basic term and recall you'll be able to form an equation. Equation and understand the concept of an equation. Equation and you should be able to convert the statement into an equation and equation into a statement. So the dish jero angonzo the lobsen di thari ngoju di digas kami a thoma delia thambo delia simple equation by the malab nge ya ani I just wanted to play a mind reader game ro ta delia lutu medu somebody at this kangi chai de ineta chwa chini and number of guess chiba chia lo. So I would ask you to think of any number in your mind a lutu so gi seminaria angi samutang gochi. And to make it more easier, just think a number between 1 to 10. Right? Answer the level we have to number 당분에 주어도 루트 속이 서머시 당로치 가격하기 이내 number 당분에 주어받도록. Now multiply that number by 4. Multiply that number by 4. Add 5 with the product. Add 5 with the product. So there 보고주기 5D domrochi is the oh yeah. Tadi example tang malia lane go ro ta de le rai me do example ya ye gi lane chik thi da pochi gi lane chik rai wa what result do you get ta kisi pochi gi result di thama di ani the condition result thama pochi number chik ne chu ba da me da pochi number chik da me yo chik ne chu pa do ani multiply chik da number di ro add chik ani result rairo only ngala ladalo example 이 result 보고 싶어서 가시지기 따가 차기 메시 이네 부지기 계시 오 게라 answer 디 딜레소 33 레소 랭엔들이 요시지나 33 레요 그러시나 I will tell you that the number which you have thought of is 7. So 다 보고 something로 게라기 컨디스나래 얘 number 디 mind 디 컨디스 리치래 게라기 7 딱딱 라스 얘 삼교디 This to rest here I have used this simple equation. This simple equation to use right. But the condition do both this here. Sang answer you simple equation din ala. Ani look to so the condition project those lovers na. Delia ye kharla so look to so ya. I told you to think of any number between 1 to 10. What? So number the shinge medu sambala we can use any variable as you have learned in class 6. Also in class 6 layer algebra what is so the example class 6 now variable this machine unknown value variable substitute so let us take that value unknown value so unknown value the 1 is 10 I took it as x 얘기 X랭이야 와. 교란조 거리 유미 신고 말와. 교란조 거리 삼 다운 되면 신고면 얘 X랭이야. So when I take that unknown value as x, then what did I tell you? 얘 갈라 so now multiply that number by 4. So multiply x by 4 so then it becomes 갈라 so 먼저 4x 차서. Number 4 the x you multiply 치나 같이 하소 4x. Then I told you to add 5 with the product so product the 4x bar with the product so the product is okay product the karela version of 4x less 1 so what do you get add chiller of product the number 5 the add chiller karela so 4x plus 3 and karela so thamadelo what result how much the result karela less 1 la ne kiji chis 1 do you get right let us example 또 보고지기 레버나리아 33 레나 딱딱 가수 솔치지라 심플리파이 33 딱딱 레나 아니 가르라서 ang nganzo liya khara so dira so de 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 like 얘기 number the singi mewa sonza chronzo samdang number the singi mewa sonza x sha until shiki gurs until 5 axis and chronzo lazo last and some product chini ro some the khar lessons la example 33 lessons la je pojik so ro so ye gyo di and nganzo del chi ras one kan ye le kan this here how did you come up with the answer la ro akachu re del machine bashto I started putting the values for the unknown and ye ro if I take x is equal to ra, that you 1 and 10 parla na 1 CA mara 2 labor na then we get matlab kharaldo we get matlab delia equation delia 4 times x ra 4 times x ra so 4 times x kitsa kharlo so in place of x I'm going to substitute whatever the value I'm going to put ra delia 2 lu ngi ngara sewa chin ra 2 lu example plus 5 is equal to khali do tatta substitute 33 podi larwa le do limiter so 4 2 times is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 which is not equal to 33 mar do poji 33 lai na le ta poji 13 le na tatta le ale gela tatta le ye value 2 le wa 13 li do asa ye ro podi the value the 13 le ye podi ge answer 13 le lai na ये ग्लास है आंसर द टू रेस लसी शक्ला ये संग ता खर्चियो रे पूदी की वैल्यू द 33 रे लाए वा दी दी रेमिंदुस देन आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग वैल्यू 2 3 4 5 लुए गोचुर अनि मजो खराल दो वी गेट रो 4 5 टाइम्स प्लस 5 छिरो 4 5 is 20 प्लस 5 खरा सो मजो ल 25 रा सो या 33 रा मा सो so the example oh they remindus then I started putting value 7 will go to work when I put x is equal to 7 then 4 times 7 plus 5 4 7 times is 28 plus 5 kharra sumala 33 so this is the exact value which you told me rangi 33 la just to thing takta del chiswa the in example ya dine ni la to res de manji ki mind reach to restaurant ki value la jo di takta 7 ni ba samjo so the in example I'm just applying a simple equation here. Simple equation here apply to you. That also here, a simple equation lana condition lagi me. And then a variable the expression that they mangush need and then it here. And no smash the. That also goes to you now. Nenga the goes to you now. Pujik blood seed wa. And 33 la me gela give daily value to which penetration of 41 lessons. Pujik lover chashwa. Multiply chichining mal 41 less larwa 41 suppose 41 lay na and delta da let us substitute x is equal to 8 chikta darwa we get and ye last to the 41 lay the value the 41 lay is to the value the live the 9 rail what to say value the 9 and this clear there we get what the 8 lure thing 8 lure is sambala plus 5 unless so 4 8 32 plus 5 is 37 41 remainder. Then I started putting value x is equal to 9. We get Karazo 4 9s 36 plus 5 is equal to 41. So therefore the value of x, the value which you are thinking is 9. Strong is some value the 9 raised like to Slatur. So this teacher and the simple equation the physics stand for the talo do so kita simple equation lana khala equation lana khala ore ta na shi nganzu variable lana khare expression lana khare ani khadis the ore answer se da the trial and error method ta ani statement ne equation la khadis pa ore equation statement khade pa ore then solve chidani number sin thobal to som jai or algebra na wa andi nganzu three equation ga this here is you ta nganzu give word variable la the condition lagi me number so sami gi sina thuba na chiran jan yore variable na sub to lagwa thanga dik sub ani ngonzu gi alphabets letters lingo or the logo so the word variable means something that can vary ko what way you do it that is change logo ko what way you need a variable takes on different numerical values variable condition that occur give different variable numerical values is penetration its value is not fixed cut to in a fixed mares x is equal to 1 lana x khatu 1 marta x can take 2, x can take 20, x can take negative 3 khari inaliency value wa. So variables are denoted by letters of alphabets such as x, y, z, l, m, n, o, p, etc. Variables can take any letters of alphabet wa. L lene digur, M lene digur, O lene digur, P lene digur. Wa. And daily number to chik sina ya for del algebra na lo save do. Ani nganstu ki variable d alphabets A B C khajil le mare. A B C is also a variable wa, but A B C D E F like the alphabet ki gang part zo mangche we consider them for constant variable. Changa rang ki chap chero di chap lingo le and numbers di jail ha ko numbers wa. So variable la tu khatu yune alphabet letter was link it so machine bachi do pala ki lo khazir la example let father's age be y, let father's age be t la do ne matro let father's age be a b c link mar khatu yune so the nenga jo numbers jail dc and it is a symbol for a number whose value is unknown yet chesa number machine e chikla do and mo di ki chap do chi do. So singi video jana assume chije ngaran zu ro chap chi lu ro lo oh that let father pala gi lodi khaje me singi me do tene shi danjing gi rang gi samotang gyo angi di khaje me singi me wa singi me di nge gi pi sha shkola number di chap ro dila variable lo so variable ke pugu chi gi 7 le no pugu chi 6 pugu chang 7 le ro kya pugu marwa del samotang gi pugu chapjang gi wa jida de belu ko chapjang gi wa number 7 daji 33 less wa dom Yimba Chapo Mar, Pukachi 9 Samutang USC, 9 Samutang Shiki Juna 36 plus 5 children 41. Oh, put the answer 41 Dirwa. Yes, variable is not certain thing which is fixed. Fixed in Batatu over Kari in yes. It's not variable like the Sivuchaswa, which is unknown yet washing Mevati and one of the Sapchirwa and X, Y, Z lingo is. And from variables we form an expression is what the expression are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables now liya and dom che gyur che variable nyam do gyur variable nyam dom variable nyam do gyur variable nyam do the variable nyam do ge chiborachina and monzo shimi expressions and then to well giant numbers of algebra expression like what the combination of algebra expression is a combination of constant fixing your number the variable constant and variable combined by kuni sub to your lawarshna constant the variable ni yowarshna algebra expression where kuni thuni surelna symbol of operation plus minus into division the digital algebra expression of what is the variable yona expression chawota variable never an expression deal so the expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And there expression the example do penisha 2y the variable do minus 10 constant the variable and there multiplication chisha and there subtraction chisha is an expression in variable y. The do which expression race algebra expression race and there variable this no y race. And taji mozo ni example the temper sugu na 4 times x de 4 ki multiply chi plus 5 chi barachina model expression chi raswa ti khare na expression in variable x variable khadle divo del 4y plus 5 sha barachina algebra expression real and race del variable y is 4p plus 5 is an expression in variable p so this chide sambalia ta manzuliya algebra expression chi raswa and del khare raswa la barachina the value of an expression d penetration barachina let's consider this 4x plus 5 the value depends wholly on choosing the value of the variable the value dilo ani khari email dilo pa the value ra di do amaz of area so expression digirwa value jirwa expression the gamza the value jirwa it highly depends on if we take depends on the value of the variable currently the value if we take x is equal to suppose x is equal to 1 so 1 what you get is 4 times 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 1 is okay so 4 1 so 4 plus 5 is 9 so one value the 9 is so if you take x is equal to 3 leverage 4 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 4 3 is 12 plus 5 is 17. Value the 17 lig do pick up so change chas on the 4x plus 5 like khar chas 17 chas on 4x plus 5 is equal to 9 khatu x is equal to 1 in barach now and the 17 less one. If you take x is equal to 5 leverage 4 5s 20 plus 5 is 25. So your value is 4x plus 5 is equal to 25. If you take Tanji value is 7 leverage 4 times 5 plus 5 is equal to 7. 4 7s are 28 plus 5 is 33. So 4x plus 5 is equal to 33. So the value of an expression where the value the completely depends on the value of the variable. Variable the khar rahali me dil rahali dus. And Tanashi Manzui ki Tanji answer the Karimba. Manzui answer the Dimba 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 ladi. The condition is 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 ladi. X ki value 7 lena mashi 33 lek rayama. No other value of x other than 7 will get the answer 33. The x ki value 1 to the 33 me do. Not equal to 33, not equal to 33, not equal to 33. This is equal to 33. The condition la value chik machine do. So that value is x is equal to 7. So in this example, x is equal to 7 when we take x is equal to 7, then this equation gets satisfied. And left hand side, the right hand side, like satisfied. So the expression lana bochu swanta the do equation da li order tenda do ye de la kha khala na rin de la yendo equation da solution da this sang dish ge word de la manzu ge expression de la answer 33 condition do stay version 33 ra go la version 7 machine min do das x value 3 lu version 33 li min do as delia 17 li do x value 5 lu version 33 li min do 5 25 li do. So the khar tengo na this shows that the x is the solution of this equation. 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 like solution is kachilana dilaya x ki values 4 gets x gets 7 lower plus 5 your nanzolia left hand side 33 right hand side get 33 liters. So 7 mato shebal cheli liters nanzo condition didishte na expression digi condition didishte varashna equation chadua. So equation dila khati satisfy children 7 mato shemba me do slide and also delia look to variable ne expression ne ta to equation la re and also equation kon ti jayegi to delia an equation is a condition equation like the condition generations on a variable such that the two expression in the variable should have equal value. Okay. It's a condition on the variable. Variable the rally goes 4x plus 5 like the x the variable will rally goes such that the equality sign equal sign equal sign the expression is crony chikpa yibadi chiksu yibadi. So equal sign the education so okay. An equation is a statement of equality. Inji equation la this logo is equal to image equal sign image. So 먼저 리아 단지 니니 쉬어내시 expression 라나 한디스 라우돌라나 2x plus 3. 어? 근데 지어라시나 이 algebra expression 라 파조딜라 algebra expression 요거라시나 x plus 2. An expression 이 디치바레 라워라시나 it becomes an equation. So it's a statement of equality between two expressions. Expression 이 parla kimal equal is equal to like 요거라시나 and then it becomes an equation. Number 10 square. Inji minji changa chipo yimba chagwa 4x plus 5 is equal to 33. 2y minus 7 is equal to 17 na chagwa. Today you chipo yimba chagwa mare. Khari yimba insing lana no variable ni yosi wa. So khari yin mene ta kanda manda mandoli equation la warchina kimala equal like sign the equation. An equation is a statement of equality kimala equal sign which contains an unknown variable. And variable you original the digital equation of what is and look to the post chero kotsus where the kots where the dicha and the expression you and kimal equal sign you know equation and then civil in equation there is always an equality sign chiksung di sign jero di yores di na equation di me original expression 이게 도 지마르시나 2y minus 7 나와 콜 equal కి sign 민도 major example this becomes an expression not an equation equation 이야라 인지 민지 is equal to 제 하바조들 당가 주네 가리 유네 and the equation 차 so equation 라도 인지 민지 equal కి sign 디 고레스 in equation there is always an equality sign the equation sign shows that equality konda the equality sign shows that the value of the expression to the left of equality sign the equality sign the left side la the left side la yojo shwa ani dil khala go la na ka twine LHS la go res and is always equal to the dingi chipa yi batyong go res equal sign the dingi chipa yi batyong go res is always equal to the value of the expressions to the left to the right to the right side of the equal sign right side la RHS la right hand side left hand side equal sign digi sujo the left hand side phajo the right hand side so delia an equation di do cha sembarishna 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 la di cha sembarishna 4x plus 5 di kharcha re left hand side and 33 la di kharcha re right hand side diki ma ro cha so digi left side da digi right side so equation mana equality sign gora equality sign di sujo de la left hand side phajo de la right hand side so those chiche nganza di tari lo change to equation la di bugu chame ki sebu cha yo share so equation mana khare borela na equal sign and expression ni yo rashna then this becomes an equation and equation is a statement of equality which contains an unvariable variable so and in the equation there is always an equality sign right so this is an equation with a statement of equality between two expression and equation is a statement of equality between two expression equality sign equation race so they look to equation write the following statement in the form of equation then now you have a statement we need to convert this into equation form equation convert to race penetration na chiwa thangbo di chiklo nanda ta statement ne equation na form form de pu zo chiwa di yaholo chiwa de means yaholo version pe seu chado the sum na dombaro dombi symbol number khajo la na sum na de symbol dombaro dombi symbol number ni yorwa number ni di susure ha ko chu thangbo number ni di sure ha ko dongwa di ha ko chire number ni di su ime thangbo tha chu 3 times x la so 3 the x ni dong la mo 3 times x la na times la na multiply chiro ga so the example del kharche re del ya question number thangbo di range to dil pe sebu di chu ta thangbo domyan ni ne ya 3 times x la di kharcha du go re 3 times x la na ro 3x ro re ma re du zo 3x di pe ke chum cha du go and dileni a number so 3 times x la 3 times x di kharcha so 3x ditang and 11 la doje pese which 11 so there ya kharchu rela na ni badel ya sum of and there mat here de 3 times x and sure and 11 la do so there example 3 times x la de chare shemba de sure 11 chare so 먼저 sum de khara na 3x plus 11 so 먼저 equation 차요 mat is 32 la so 먼저 구해야 돼. The equation is 먼저 구해야 equation 신이가 그러래 3x plus 11 도 is equal to 래. 안 가르쳐래 32. So look at what 수유나. The sum law the namsa고라 sum of 3 times x law the namsa고라 3 plus x 도 맞이야. times 는 digit 차로 돼. digit raise and din이 with raise. din이 넘버잖아. So 3 times x 가르라기 메신 거지. look 3 times x 나 3x you must 3 times x what's this so the chiwa thangbo di leg check yan chiwa ni ba di chiklo na da bu zo boss chi che number zo ro yan di chi tu du ye tik si da number zo boss chi che ta nganyam do lo thangbo chiwa if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number chikle ya 6 times ki number chi multiply chi na number di su yi me te men do ani ran zo answer you get 7 na so this what it is loga in basonza number to ne chi darwa 6 times a number the number the su image shinge wo ma shinge me du zama ne la so 당가 시기면은 먼저 variable chilling 가리리네 x y p and z 가리리네 so let the number be 먼저 the number the assume chia the khari me shingo ma let the number be 먼저 y do shni shida let the number be y 당가 dil라 number the 20 the 6 times the number lo then 아니 니와 the match 돼 아 당가 와 subtract pass 6 times a number lo so 먼저 the number the 가리리네 y le ba so 같이 하소 6y number the da 6 ni multiply chi버시나 아니 6 times a number 차소 6y 다시니 먼저 됐어 if you subtract 나 템바 5 from 5 the wali from the nin li 아니 6 times a number 6y so there 먼저 이 내용 차소 if you subtract 라도 subtract 5 from 6 times 아니 6 times a number the correct y riba so the chibarashina karli irlana subtract 5 from a number 6y ichaso the equation is tang onzo boy equation to the karage lokuzo the equation is onzo left hand side is 6y minus 5 yimbarwa you get lana is equal to 7 so onzo equation di chato bore ye do chibarashina equation di chaso kotsu na bozo if you subtract la namsa thenga ma do ha ko che subtract la origin thengi wa subtract 5 lana wali ro from la ring li ro from su de tendo 6 times the number zo mi do the 6 la mi do 6 times 6 till full stop ina ani 6 minus 5 wa 6 times a number zo mi do doing the number 6 times a number al tangbo number di khari me shingyo lo zo shingme wa so lo number di shingme di sabala y x z khari sha variable so let the number be y like pending a chart of so this 시제 한 건들이야 기타도 스트레스 당 먼저야 주어 숨버디 레마 팅엔 부고적이 주어디 버스 시제 내시가 두 돼 직시다 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7 so algebra expression 자유나 가서 망보시티 도야 도난 치유와 so 당고들이야 1/4 of m is 3 more than 1/4 of m 방고들이야 solution 숨버디 지가 되라 1/4 of m 1/4 of m 같이 하소 1/4 of a number m 차소 1/4 라나 this lower 1/4 of m of 라나 into 로 so 같이 하소 m by 4 m upon 4 of a number is 3 more than 7 so this example here the daily 같이 되리 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7 lower rishna the daily 같이 하고 그러나 so shall equation the decision do the equation becomes 같이 하고 그러나 4 by m 또 보다 m by 4 보다 m by 4 디 같이 하고 그러나 3 more than 7 the example here do ne temperature나 this real lower rishna digo equation 들어 먼저 equation 야 m by 4d 내 숨 템버러시나 그럼 안 만족이야 직순 가다 뒤에 직버리셔라요 equation 가르치디리 3 more than 7 라버시나 아니 만족이야디 두스티네디고 m by 4 is equal to 7 plus 3 뒤에 숨 뭔가 있네 m by 4 just so 가르치디리 equation 와 대전한 so those two are equation more than the example one is plus one two was so there we are in this station at you so this example of the equation is m upon 4 so more than the one is plus 2 so there you are number niga nyem do charu do dik there minus matika me rishwa 7 plus 3 nan 10 charu do so this is there you 10 lam do the example of the matika me rishwa so m by 4 minus 7 is 3 so this is how is 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8 best say do dela 1/3 of a number so question number shivadi 1/3 of a number on the number te mendo so there inji minji let the number be law the number this is le kar le let the number be tang on the z name small z ro 1/3 of a number 1/3 of a number the kharcha so z ro manzogi number the z ro so 1/3 law rachna 1/3 of z law rachna kharcha so z by 3 cha so So the z the manual is z small z small z here. So the charu do plus la ka 1/3 of number plus 3 la. So pele lo do ta the equation di chakya chi barchina. The equation is 1/3 of a number, the number z upon 3 plus 1/3 of a number plus 5 is equal to 8. So this is the required equation. So for the equation we go to na statement equation pabialia. This samutang re and number so and this the too big algebra now giant it. That's the debug algebra the topic in our so the use number local so the statement expression la thangbo algebra la statement expression la pabia was to ba ban del mangbo yo de so this zero chi sui ta del ya manso gi textbook ki exercise 4.1 gi question number 10 dil la jiwa thangbo ne jiwa bodu kage diga simple equation write the following statement in form of equation statement you have to convert them into equation and number 2 convert the following equation in statement form so the statement form la convert got to be condition jiwa thangbu du cha assume solution do cha assume x minus 5 is equal to 9 la sha. So there here equation la ma server statement la server the criteria difference between x and 5 is 9. And the statement you can have any number of statements. They call it penetration or this can be written as the number x minus 5 gives 9. Number x is 5 or the number x is 5 more than 9. Or if 5 is subtracted from the number x, we get 9. Equation statement so the example equation statement here the numbers ani mangche statement equation la mangche statement equations where equation statement yomarwa ine rounds of the equation statement so down the sheet sunarwa kala khansam chi code se tu raise the now solution number 2 to chance 5p 20 la and they shall get here 5 times p here is 20. Solution somebody. They do charge some Kartidiro, Lelo Tivershna, the sum of Tanjina Hirwa, sum of 3 times n and 7 gives 1. Panashi question number Shiva do charge some question number Shiva the Kalado 1/5 of a number and there you are minted or m minus minus 2 gives 6. So correct that is the answer was very clear answer so the history of the machine here down there's no answer law here in it 1/5 of a number m there 1/5 of a number m lana m by 5 wa minus lana minus 2 gives 6. So do straight change ta digalia mixing the textbook exercise wa question number exercise 4.1 question number 5 dina lo la ya dela chiwa thangbone chiwa dimbarage pa average pa tu an po to kan tu statement la ma convert chi is contribution. So Delia, look to Solia, the value of the variable in an equation for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution of equation like what? And also your equation degree solution lana condition la what is la rasha. Penetration the jing on the chiwat liberation 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 la chiwat liberation la. So take a solution correct. Solution correct. Tang also the chiwat lesson mind video the equation simple equation solution lana condition la what is. So the value of the variable the value of the variable in an equation for which the equation satisfies the left hand side the right hand side chikpa chawara sina thaking it is one satisfy the notes ngen tu number c the equation matlab ngen it is one the left hand side expression the sujo the left hand side logo phajo the right hand side logo left hand side the right hand side is satisfied chikpa chawara sina ani on the x values to the solution ra what is penetration let us consider x is equal to 2 digaji value digaji kasa the equation the solution x is equal to repeat thus satisfy chikdo with the thus la rachna tiwa tam bodilo contest chure na how to check this madu khachi ure we should write down the equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 33 보고서 고추스면 equation marang je shusan shugula manzo chame gi left hand side ma chitwa chu what is the left hand side here 보고서 positive equation the left hand side correct 4x plus 5 wa equal to sujo the unit changman left hand side ani we should put the value of x is equal to 2 put x is equal to 2 in this left hand side now no x ki chabala 2 lose jama khara so 4 times 2 plus 5 khara so 4 2s are 8 plus 5 is equal to khara so 8 plus 5 is 13. Then compare with the right hand side. Right hand side the right hand side is 33. Here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, and satisfy chama equation the satisfy chama equation the takta deura equation lana equal la bora kuni chipa deura chipa de met gare x value the 2 mare la satisfy chama no this does not satisfy the equation the satisfy chama equation on equal go on left hand side the right hand side chipa de me do satisfy chigme do la po chiwa chik satisfy chigme the equation satisfy chigme the value the but left hand side the right hand side chipa red way mare chipa himara china satisfy chigo mena satisfy chigo me those like no the value of x equal to 2 does not satisfy this equation yana and they'll cut here x is equal to 2 is not the solution of the equation because the solution remain those satisfy china solution place tang answer x is equal to 3 because x is equal to 7 way let us substitute the value of x is equal to 7 lower na answer ki left hand side the correct equation the left hand side the correct so left hand side is equal to 4x plus 5 iba put x is equal to 7 in the left hand side down 7 luda what we obtain is 4 times 7 plus 5 next one which is equal to 4 7s are 28 plus 5 is equal to 33 and what is the value of right hand side kariba was the equation the right hand side kariba right hand side the 33 ba so compare the left hand side and right hand side compare to example when we compare LHS is equal to RHS less of so satisfy this x is equal to 7 satisfies the equation and career satisfy china therefore x is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation na so satisfy chigi dwe la kharla rali gorla na x the value lu left hand side pa left hand side the right hand side the cheaper reading the tire lu so cheaper ina satisfy chigi ina solution raise x ki value khari ma ani x ki value 2 lu left hand side right side cheaper reading dus satisfy chigi na solution mares dus chije ang ma to tamba de ya textbook ki yang lu so textbook ki exercise 4.1 ki question number 1 na lo de chukki stu chiwa 1 ne chini satisfy chigi yo mare la che daga na shi question number 2 na le ya ani solution re mare la che solution gi na left hand side right hand side chiwa de wa on de gi chiwa thangbo ne chini a ne chini b c d e f ko so di chiwa di nang ge ni an thare gi lo sen di model samsha gi kuchina